Hi everyone, this is just a short video showing you how to download the firmware files of the FIMI X8 SE drone to your computer and use the Ambarella Extractor software to modify the bitrate table inside the firmware. First of all, I have not flashed this firmware to the drone actually yet. I will after the weather improves a bit, but everything seems to work. There are users on Facebook that did this and have come up with some pretty nice results. So I enjoy and invite everyone to try it for themselves and share the results, please. I'm not that good at programming, so I will just show you the part that I know how to do, and the rest is up to you if you're willing to modify your drone. Okay, first of all, we need to download some software. So I will make a new folder on my desktop called FIMI X8, and I will use this to store the files that I download. First of all, we need the Ambarella Extractor. You can download it from a link that I will provide to you in the descriptions of this video. Okay, I choose the FIMI X8 folder, save, starts downloading, and then we need to copy the repo of Vladimir Computing's FIMI X8 SD card flasher or firmware generator. Okay, it's easy to do. Just hit clone or download and download zip file and save it to the same folder that we just created. Okay, done. There is a possibility that Chrome detects the Ambarella Extractor file as dangerous. It's not. You can safely keep it. It's a false alarm. Okay, both files downloaded, so I will just minimize this window and open the FIMI X8 folder. There is the Ambarella Extractor, and here is the Java software to download and generate the firmware files for the FIMI X8. So all you need to do is extract it here, create a new folder. We can delete this, we can delete this one, and first that we need to do, you must make sure that you have a Java runtime engine installed on your computer, and you need to run it from a terminal window or from a command prompt. So I will just use my Windows PowerShell, shift and right click in the window, open PowerShell window here. Okay, it's in the correct folder, and we will use a command to download the JSON file with the firmware provided by the Vladimir Computing. So I'll just copy this whole command, copy and paste it here. Hit enter and wait for the files to download. It takes a while, but it downloads all the parts of the firmware for the controller, for the RC, no-fly zones, gimbal camera, and so on. So we just have to wait a bit. Okay, it looks like it downloaded. It took about 3 minutes. Too long for me, but what happened is there is a new folder, firmware download, which has all the firmware files inside. Now we will use the I will minimize this window. We will use the Ambarella Extractor file to open the camera firmware. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the Ambarella Extractor software. We will open the camera firmware file. It's on my desktop, FIMI X8, and the firmware download folder. And it's the first one, camera. Click open. It loads the sections of the firmware, and now we need to extract it. It asks where, just click OK. Firmware unpacked. And as you can see, there is a new folder here called sections. Those are the sections of the camera firmware file. We are interested in this one, sec1 mod. So what we do is click Tools, click Bitrate, File, and Open. And we will choose from the sections folder that was created the sec1 mod. It's the only one possible to edit. And click Open. And it loads all the possible combinations of resolution, frame rate, quality, and bitrate. And this is where we can modify it. I'm not absolutely 100% sure what all those other sections are, but I guess those are all the possible resolutions with all the possible frame rates combined. What we are interested in are the first ones. I guess the first one, number one, is the 4K 25 or 30 frames per second, 100 megabits at high setting, 60 megabits at medium settings, and 40 megabits at low settings, and so on and so on. I guess the third is the 180p or Full HD, so we could possibly modify this to 80 at high and 60 at medium, and I don't know, 40 at low. Now what you can do is modify it and then save. It saves it into the mod file, and now you can exit out of this and you can recompile the firmware. Firmware compiled, and the file created is called fwmod. Okay, so you can close this and check the firmware mod file. It's exactly the same size as the camera bin file. Now we have ended up with this fwmod file, which is the camera firmware recompiled, and all we have to do now is rename it to x8.bin and create a new empty file called update txt. I have to check, I'm not sure. Yes, rename it x8 bin and create empty update text file. Okay, I'm right. Sorry guys for this, but I have to check the instructions sometimes because I don't remember. And this should be lowercase x. And upload those two files to the SD card of the FIMI, reboot, and the camera should be updated with the new settings. Okay guys, this is all from me. We have to experiment with this. People willing to do so, please share your results. Thank you for watching, and hope it helps a bit to improve our drone to when the FIMI programmers can't, maybe we can. Thank you and bye.